In this video, I will show you how to export customers' CSV from BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Customers to open your customer list. To select all customers, tick the checkbox at the top of the list. Once your customers are selected, click Export Selected Customers. A new panel will appear where you can choose a template and file format. Select Export to Microsoft Excel, CSV, and then click Continue. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm, so click Export My Customers to a CSV file. The system will then generate the file. Once it's ready, click Download File to save it to your computer. Exporting your customer data in CSV format is useful for backups, analysis, or importing into other tools. Make sure to handle this data securely, respecting privacy and opt-out preferences. And that's how to export customers' CSV from BigCommerce.